Hello friends, welcome to my channel. In today's video we are going to cover write function. So we will look at multiple formulas using which we can extract the text or characters on the right side of the given data. So let's say mm, let's go with something very simple. So let's say we have these invoice numbers, and if you see, uh, it starts with INV, then the year, and on the rightmost side there are 5 digits which represent the invoice serial number. So let us see how to extract it. Like, in case, if data is small, I know it is very easy to just look at the data and type it manually. But what if the data set is very large, like thousands of rows? So in that case, we will use the write function. So the formula goes like this: equal to, type write, open the bracket, select the text, comma, then comma, and then I put number of characters. So it is giving me 00891 because invoice serial number is of 5 digits. So we have put 5 here. So I just copy and paste. So this was the basic part. Now let us look at how to extract last name. We have customer names, let's say John Smith, Priya Mehta, and all. So first name and last name. Now if you see, in case of invoice number, all the invoice numbers were having fixed 5 digits as serial number. But here if you see, uh, surname has various letters in it. Like Smith has 5 letters, Mehta again 5, Lee has only 3, Diaz has 4, like that. So in that case, what to do? We can't keep typing 4 and 5 every time. So the I will show you the right method. So we will combine two formulas within right formula. So let me put the formula. So equal to right. I select the text, then comma. I put the len function. I again select the text, bracket close, less find function, open the bracket, then find space. Again, select the cell, bracket close. So as you can see, Excel has correctly extracted the surnames. Now let us break down this formula. You can see there are three formulas here: write, len, and find. Now let's see what this each write formula you have already seen how it works. Now let me show you how len function works and how find function works. Okay. So as you can see, there are two digits that are appearing here after we put this formula, which is 10 and 5. So len function basically counts the characters within the given data or within the given cell, we can say. As you can see, John has the word John has 4 characters, then there is a space, and then Smith has 5 characters. So total 10 characters. So this formula calculates space also, considers space also as a character. That is why 10. So that is how len function works. Now find. So what we did is we asked Excel to find a space in the cell B6, and it is the result is 5. Why? Because in John Smith, 4 characters of John, and the fifth character stands for the space. That is why this formula is returning 5. Now what we did, we put these two in our right function, because if you remember, in the right function, to extract the characters on the right side, we have to put a specific number. So what I am doing here is I am arriving at the number to be put here. So instead of doing it manually, I'm using len and find function. So I'm telling Excel, write len, that is 10 characters minus 5. So that tells Excel to extract last 5 characters. Let's see in case of David Lee. Let me copy this formula here. 9 and 6. Because David Lee, 5 characters in David, then space is 6 and Lee 3. So 9 and space is the sixth character. So 6. So here what we are telling Excel is write B8, comma 9 minus 6. So that is 3 characters on the rightmost side of this given data set. So this is how write function works. Let us see one one more example. Let's say email domain. So there are various email IDs, right? Gmail.com, Yahoo, Outlook, and so on. Now I want to see how which user is using which domain. So in that case, what to do? Maybe you can pause this video and try it on your own and then see the answer. So I'm assuming you tried it on your own. So let us see if you did it right or not. So again, write formula, then cell reference for email, then again len, again I select the cell, bracket complete, less, I again put find. Want to find at the rate. Why? Because domain starts after at the rate always. So we are asking to find at the rate instead of space that we did earlier, comma, then again the cell reference and two brackets close. So as you can see, gmail.com. So this is extracting correctly. Now, in this video, I'm going to teach one bonus formula also, though I'm going to cover it in detail in some other video, but currently it's a bonus tip. Now, in case of product code, how will you do it? Again, you can pause the video and try it on your own. Now, typically somebody will try to do right, then select the text, comma, let's say 2. It was okay for Excel size clothes because there are 2 characters, but what in case of S? There is a dash coming in, which I don't want. Same goes with L, M, like that. So in that case, we will typically use another formula called text after. So maybe you can give it a try. And in another video, I'm going to cover this concept of text after. Maybe you can watch that video for this. So this is a homework for you. You can find a solution. I've given you the hint that text after is the formula. You can try this on your own. Thank you.